What if the secret to unstoppable abundance isn't found in a book, a guru, or some far-off lucky break? What if it's been inside you all along, waiting to be unlocked? Imagine, for a moment, that you could literally rewire your brain to attract wealth, joy, and profound success, almost effortlessly. Today, we're not just talking about wishful thinking. We're diving deep into the hard science, the neuroscience of abundance. I am going to show you how to take control of your mind as architecture and reshape your brain to manifest the life you've always dreamed of. Because here's the truth they don't tell you. Abundance isn't something you chase, it's something you become. Your brain is the most powerful technology on the planet, and your beliefs are its operating system. These beliefs don't just influence your reality, they literally shape it. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Your brain doesn't know the difference between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. Whatever you focus on, whatever you tell yourself over and over, your brain gets to work, forging neural pathways to make that your reality. This is precisely why most manifestation methods fail. They are all sizzle and no steak. Say ignore the one thing that matters. The brain. You can repeat affirmations until you're blue in the face, but you simply cannot manifest wealth with a mind that is hardwired for scarcity. It's like trying to run advanced software on an outdated computer. It just won't work. Inside your skull, you have what I call your brain's abundance centers. These are key areas, primarily in your prefrontal cortex, the home of your focus and decision-making, and your limbic system, your emotional core. These centers respond directly and powerfully to three things: focus, emotion, and repetition. When you constantly think thoughts of lack, worry about bills, or fixate on what you don't have, you are literally strengthening the neural circuits for poverty. You are training your brain to be an expert at being poor. But the opposite is also true. When you start to think rich, when you focus on opportunity, gratitude, and possibility, you begin to rewire those very same circuits. You start seeing opportunities where you once saw obstacles. Your perception of the world literally changes. Now, here's the best news you'll hear all day. Your brain isn't fixed. It's not a static block of concrete. It's more like a dynamic, living sculpture, constantly being reshaped. This incredible ability is called neuroplasticity. Your brain is constantly rewiring itself based on your thoughts, your habits, and your emotions, every single second of every single day. Think of it like this. Your brain has a built-in gatekeeper called the reticular activating system, or RAS. This system acts as a filter, deciding what information from the millions of bits you're exposed to actually gets your attention. If your RAS is tuned to the frequency of "I never have enough," or "good things don't happen to me," then that's all your brain will allow you to see. It will actively filter out evidence of opportunity and abundance. But once you consciously retrain your RAS to look for abundance, your entire world begins to shift. Think about the negative thought loops that run in your mind. I can't afford that. I'm not good enough. Money's hard to come by. These aren't just fleeting thoughts. They are neural highways, paved and reinforced over years of fear, doubt, and social conditioning. Every time you complain or worry, you're adding another layer of asphalt, making that negative road smoother and easier to travel. But here's the powerful part. Every time you choose a different thought, every time you choose gratitude or focus on a possibility, you are beginning to pave a brand new path, a superhighway toward prosperity. So, the first critical step to attract abundance is to unplug from the scarcity matrix. You have to identify these hidden programs, these limiting beliefs like "money is the root of all evil" or "I am just not a lucky person." Here is a simple, powerful technique to reset your mind, starting right now. The moment you catch a scarcity thought, you interrupt it. Don't analyze it. Don't judge it, just stop it in its tracks. You can literally say, "Stop," out loud, or snap your fingers to create a physical anchor that breaks the pattern. Then, immediately, you replace it. You consciously choose a new thought. Say to yourself, "I choose abundance now," or "An opportunity is on its way to me." Try this for just 3 minutes a day. Set a timer, and for those 3 minutes, be a vigilant guardian of your mind. Catch, interrupt, and replace. You will feel your energy shift almost instantly. Each time you interrupt an old, disempowering pattern, you weaken its hold on you and create a sacred space for transformation to occur. You're telling your brain that there's a new sheriff in town. Now that we've started clearing out the old programming, it's time to actively install the new one. It's time to activate abundance. Your brain learns best through a combination of repetition, strong emotion, and vivid imagery. This is the scientific reason why visualization is so incredibly effective. When you visualize your dream life as if it's already here, your brain lights up the very same neural circuits and reward centers as it would if you were actually experiencing that success. It can't tell the difference. So, every single morning, before the world has a chance to impose its limits on you, spend a few minutes visualizing your most abundant life. Don't just see it, feel it. What does it feel like to be debt-free? What does it feel like to run that successful business? Live it in your mind first, and believe it with every cell of your being. Let's amplify this with the power of gratitude. When you genuinely feel grateful, your brain releases a cocktail of incredible neurochemicals, including oxytocin and dopamine. These are the chemicals of bonding, motivation, growth, and joy. They do more than just make you feel good. They literally help rebuild your neural pathways, reinforcing the new patterns of prosperity you're creating. Even simple abundance games can supercharge this process. Throughout your day, make a game of noticing small signs of wealth, joy, or opportunity. See a nice car and say, "Proof of abundance." Find $1 on the street. Proof of abundance. Receive an unexpected compliment. Proof of abundance. You are actively training your mind, your ass, to seek and find the very things you want to attract more of. This isn't a one-and-done magic trick. Abundance is a lifestyle. It's a commitment to a new way of being. Create your own daily abundance ritual. It could be as simple as this: a morning routine of gratitude and visualization to set your intention for the day. During the day, stay mindful and use your pattern interrupt technique whenever scarcity thinking creeps in. And at night, take a moment for reflection and celebration. Acknowledge the wins, big and small. Acknowledge the proofs of abundance you found. This reinforces the cycle. You can also use a powerful technique called future pacing. Imagine yourself in the year 2026, living your dream life. See it, feel it, but most importantly, feel how normal and natural it is. It's just who you are now. When you do this, your brain begins to accept this future as a present reality, and it will work tirelessly to close the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Your world will begin to align to match this new internal blueprint. When you practice this consistently, something magical happens. You stop chasing manifestation. You stop trying to get things. You become it. Your entire energetic signature changes. You become a vibrational match for abundance itself, and it begins to flow to you and through you with ease and grace. Your brain is the ultimate manifestation tool. It is the key to unlocking every dream you've ever held in your heart. The moment you decide to consciously rewire your mind is the moment your energy shifts. And when your energy shifts, so does your reality. It all starts with a choice. I want you to make that choice right now. Go to the comments below and declare it. Type, "I am rewiring my brain for abundance." If this message resonated deep within you, if you felt that spark of recognition, then please like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more content where we explore how science meets the soul. Remember, you are powerful, you are abundant, and the universe is already responding to the new you.